right. Daylight dead testing. That's what she looks like. Got a helmet and everything. And boots. Those aren't boots.
They're boots.
They're boots? Okay, those
They're
are
not
boots.
like steel toe boots.
They're not like these.
They're boots.
Those are girl boots.
Yeah.
Alright, gonna make a test run, get some gas in it. See if you figure out how to start it up. What do you gotta do first?
Put in neutral?
No.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, what?
Hookup.
Oh, turn the gas on.
That part. Then you think it's hard enough to move?
Yeah, it's pretty stiff right now. Hopefully it'll loosen up with time. There, let me sit. It goes down. Let's see, reserve is here. On is straight down. Reserve is here.
Okay.
You probably have enough to be on, but we'll put on reserve just to make sure you get to the gas station.
Okay.
Someone might have used up a lot of gas last night going down the road. Choke.
Oh yeah, choke is here.
Lift up. No, you have to hold it up. It's got two positions, halfway and all the way. So go all the way. You have to rotate. See the pin right down here?
I got it right.
There's a pin right there. You're on the first position. You're on the first position. Probably enough for this. Hold the throttle up here. You gotta give it a little gas. Okay, now to rotate the other way. Give it 2 squirts first. All right. There you go. Get rid of that choke as soon as you can.
Oh really? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know that part.
The idle speed's a little warm. Give me a key down there again. Alright, ready to go? Ready to go?
The pickup, are you on? From the run or what?
It is on.
I know, but do I leave it on while I'm riding it?
Yeah, you want fuel, don't you?
Okay, got it. Don't put that on.
Yeah, we'll leave that part off.
No, you won't.
I'll let that out. Go for it.
What are we doing all of that?
There you go.
Yeah.
She killed it. Too much yanking the throttle instead of just going. She's got to remember all the controls. New bikes. That was called being in gear. That's why you always put them in neutral before you stop. There you go. Give it the gas. That was a rough start. She's nervous. All right, we'll see what it looks like when she gets back.